Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an Amazon haul video, so let's begin. So these are few beautiful floral cushion covers. It's a set of 5. It comes with a side zip. It's 16 into 16 inches and the print is really so vibrant. As you can see, the covers are multicolor and gives a good look. And this is how it looks. These bowls come in a set of 4. They are microwave, reheatable and dishwasher safe. You can use these bowls to serve snacks. So I have brought this basically to clean the window glasses. It comes with a spray bottle where you can fill in your liquid detergent and water and then you can spray it. It also comes with a wiper which you can remove and fix it. It's very convenient. So this is 2 glass bottles. It can be used for different type of oils. I have brought it for putting oil and vinegar. You also get a silicone pastry oil brush with it. It's 500 ml each. It has an easy opening and closing feature. And this is the silicone brush which you get along with the bottles. So this is your glass storage jar which comes with a brush. You can store your ghee, your oil or butter and it's easy to use. You can apply the ghee to your chapatis and parathas with this brush and it's really nice. And this is how I have organized it. So this is a stainless steel mesh strainer, frying filter spoon with a clip. So it's quite convenient to filter the oil and makes your work easy. It has a good grip if you need to pick up a puri or a cookie while frying. It drains out all the oil nicely. So this is an electric ceramic aroma diffuser. It's an aroma burner with a night lamp. You can see the packing. It's so well packed. You can also use it as a kapoor dana. So it serves as a night lamp as well as it acts as an aroma diffuser. You can put in any type of oil which you like. Look at the print, guy. It is so beautiful. You can add in some water here and you can put any type of oil like lavender, lemongrass, anything. Let me show you how it works. All product links are mentioned in the description box below. The last item for today's haul is this kitchen tissue paper roll holder, which is black in color. It's very basic and simple, and it completes my kitchen look. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and leave your valuable comments below. Until we meet again, take care and goodbye.